Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Volvo C30. The C in Volvo C30 is supposed to stand for cop, but from most angles, it looks distinctly like a hatchback, and unfortunately it hasn't proved a big hit with buyers. Volvos have a reputation for practicality, but the C30 is more of a lifestyle hatchback. It has 3 doors, so one appeal to those with children, and it doesn't have the prestige of some 3-door rivals, such as the Mini. It's based on the same platform as the S40 small family car, so it's good to drive with decent body control, but the ride is a little firm. Despite being described as a coupe, it does have 4 full-size seats, but legroom is limited in the back and the boot isn't that big. In reality, it's a halfway house, offering neither the flexibility of most small family hatchbacks nor the pleasure of an all-out coupe. Owners are generally complimentary about the C30's reliability, but there are some niggling faults to report. Have a good listen to for rattling trim on your test drive, and make sure the ventilation, including the aircon, works properly. Older cars are also susceptible to stability control system failure, which can be expensive to fix. The C30 has also been the subject of several recalls, along with other models in the Volvo range. These concern key items such as the brakes, steering, and engine cooling. Owners should be automatically notified of a recall, but it's worth checking with the Volvo dealer to make sure that all relevant work has been carried out. Despite 9 engines being on offer, only a few are worth serious consideration. The 99 bhp 1.6-liter petrol engine is acceptable, but can never be classed as fast, while the 123 bhp 1.8-liter and a 143 bhp 2.0-liter are swifter, but not exactly sporty. The turbocharged 2.5-liter petrol engine is full of character. It was also used in the Ford Focus ST, but is rather pointless in a car of this size. The majority of used C30s are diesels, and the 108 bhp 1.6 is refined and punchy. A Froggle DRV version was introduced in 2008, and this was improved with the addition of an engine stop-start system. There's also a 134 bhp 2.0-liter diesel and a 178 bhp 2.4-liter. All models are generously equipped, and the entry-level S trim gets climate control, alloy wheels, and electric windows, while SE trim adds cruise control, better quality upholstery, and steering wheel mounted stereo controls. SE Lux models have leather upholstery and heated front seats, while the R design versions get sporty trim options. A comprehensive facelift at the end of 2009 brought the C30 in line with newer members of the Volvo family. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.